Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawk. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the below my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I got another unboxing for you guys right now. So as you can see, we got the new iPhone Air. So let me just cover that part up and just let you guys see this. So we're gonna just rip that part open right there. And we're gonna cover that part up and rip this part right here. There we go. And then we're gonna unbox it like this. This is gonna be a fast video, nothing too special. Just showing you guys this. Sorry if my camera's just going off. They're inside the living room right now. So this is the phone. This thing is slim. And it's actually, let me see, it's bigger than my iPhone 17 Pro. Actually, no. It's about almost the same size as my Pro, but a little bit, about a few inches bigger. So this is all that came with it. That's it. No more stickers, cords and things like that. So there we go. I gotta get my wife a case and a screen protector for this to protect it. And that's basically it. So yeah, guys, just got this for her. Paid for this full price up front. No contract. And I'll catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Wow.